Hi, welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. I'm with GQ. He's one of my guests in Jack TV. We're gonna be talking about how to rebuild Haiti, the way the people are living right now in the tent. What can we do for those people? I know they are very frustrated. The way they're living right now, I mean, things is very tough on them. I can feel how they. I mean, I know it's very kind of tough for them. So I'm with Gary. Gary, I want to have your opinion. I want to have your suggestion. I want to have your comment to know exactly what can we do for those people in Haiti. What do you think about how those people are living? What can we do to help those people out? What better thing we can do? Say to have those people living in a better situation.
First of all, Jack, it's very hard for those people, in Haiti right now, because some people, live at the, in the tent for so many, like for a couple months without, it's hot. When it's winter, it was very difficult for those people. But what we can say, I don't know what those people, those people like, the government, what they're going to do to help those people, get out of it. But we don't know. That's question, we don't know. But for us, it's a simple thing, but it's not like 2 and 3, 4 months that thing happen. I think we can see some better effort for those people try to help those people, but we don't see nothing. We don't see nothing at all. When you're watching news, you see those people them still at the same situation after 4 months. That
they're living in tough situation.
tough situation.
All right, so. Yeah, I mean, definitely, they can do something. They don't have to wait until a new government is coming to be in power. They can take action right now to make things happen. I mean, there's $10 billion I've heard, say that's been given to Haiti by UA, the organization of international organization. I mean, that money can start to be working in the country. I mean, they don't have to wait. That money can start to make big time improvement.
Yeah, that's true.
Get the money, get people to work. See, there's a lot of people in Haiti that willing to work. Those people, they don't have no job. Most of the people in Haiti, they don't have no job. They're willing to work. They're willing to do the hard work. I mean, get the people out there and make things happen. Start putting projects, say to build those big apartments, big building, big project, in order for those people to live in a better condition, to build school, hospital,
everything. But when you see, like, if an example, the Asian government, they don't have no website at all. To go online to can see what what them doing. What the project them have for those people in Haiti right now,
right.
Especially in Port-au-Prince. Because that the place the earthquake happen.
Right.
Only those people because whatever some of those people don't have no people in province, like or some of them stay in the capital, them don't have nowhere to go.
Yeah, nowhere to go.
But if you have a government thinking big, if them have to have a website, you can go online, you can see what they plan, what them going to do for these people. If you go in the Asian government, I don't think they don't even have a website.
I mean, there is a website. I see a website and for the profile. All you can do is just leave a couple comments.
But
I don't even know if this guy with the comments.
When I'm talking, them not have a website. You have to see like some website, some project. How them going to
how they gonna make things happen.
So take those people from the tent to put them in the house, to put them in something them can feel comfortable. Them can have some light. If them can them can have a better life.
Yeah, they can open their eyes to see things
what's
gonna happen. I mean, we in the diaspora, even though we have access to those internet, we have all these things. I know the people that live in the tent, they don't have that. But if we have those type of information on the website, we can pass it to them while we're talking on the phone with them. We can say, you know what, things are gonna be better, because I'm looking at the website of the government. They say they're gonna build this type of project and this type of thing. They're gonna be doing this, they're gonna be doing that. So I know you're suffering right now, but it's not for a long time.
But first of all, Jack, I was watching, we was online. We was, we saw something like some project, like Haiti try, to provide for those people in Haiti. But those projects I see, it's not something, if you try to do something good for those people, for the better life, it's not really those kind of project we need. those little those house like
Oh
you
yeah,
know,
I saw that too
them always
because I was
small.
because
Them-
every day.
Two people can even stand those little things.
Right.
Come on, that's not a project. If you try to make a big, make something happen, you can be, But now everybody say it is going to be better, after the earthquake. But we don't.
We don't know that.
If it the same the project that there's some little house like when them say call it bidonville, that the same thing them going to be happening.
Little village,
If
little.
you're going to try to put like 1,000, 2,000, that's little house. You can try to make a big one. Try to make a big building. Like maybe you can provide for like 200 people stay. Maybe something can be lived for long. But come on,
Yeah,
for
for
long.
long period.
That's.
I mean, I feel you. Because the thing is, I mean, the people, they have to think better. They have to think for the future. The people that there for the future, how these people they're gonna do it.
But you know what? But one thing I'm going to say before we go. Only one thing, they need to think big. The
Right.
way them think small. Now Haiti don't need to think small. We need to think big. If you want something happen good for the country, maybe if the next time something happen like that, maybe we can whatever. If we got 300,000 people die, maybe we can have to like 8,000 like the same way it's happening in Chile. It's more bigger than Haiti, but you don't see that all those people die because them provide something for the future.
Yeah,
But
better construction, better
construction.
all that type of thing, including. I mean, if you're gonna do something, create an example. They say, you know what, this is the type of property we're gonna start building right now in case something like that happen, so we can prevent those people, a lot of people dead in that kind of disaster.
Oh, I think without
we
time.
we out of time, say
We're
so.
coming back for more. For
Stay tuned in Jack TV. Leave your comment. Let people know how do you think we should rebuild Haiti. How we leave your comment. Your comment will be helping a lot. So we don't have a lot of time. Stay tuned in Jack TV, one of the best TV station online.
All right.